What? Ugh, that was a weird dream. Why was it all about carpets?
Ow!
Ed, are you alright?
Well, besides the fact a piece of our roof served as an unnecessary alarm clock, ow! I'm just hunky-dory. Well, other than that depressing dream I had.
Depressing dream?
Yeah, I'd rather not talk about it. But, whatever. What matters most right now is trying to find a way to get back home.
But how? No pony knows who we are, so I doubt they could really help us. And I don't know any dimensional teleportation spells, so that's out.
Wait a minute. Did you just say teleportation spells?
Yeah? What about it?
Of course! That's it! Why didn't I think of this before?
Huh? What are you talking about?
I know some pony who might be able to help! The one pony who brought me to Equestria in the first place! Trixie!
Hey, yeah! You're right! But how can we convince her to help us?
Oh, I'm sure we'll figure out a way to persuade her somehow. But let's focus on finding her first.
You know, I think I actually remember where she lives after I stole a crate of hers that one time.
Well then let's get a move on!
Alright, if I'm right, her place should be hidden somewhere near the west entrance to the Everfree Forest.
Right.
Alright, Crusaders. Not sure why I haven't thought of this before, but let's try getting our cutie marks in scooter riding.
You sure this is a safe idea, Scootaloo? I'm not even sure all three of us can fit on this thing. Well, it's at least worth a shot, right? Scoots made it look so easy.
Yeah, well, you know. Oh snap, I think we left our helmets back in the clubhouse.
Huh, you're right. Let's go get them then.
That scooter reminds me of when me and Sweetie first met. Those were sure strange times back then. Wait a minute. I got it! Oh, wait, no, I lost it. Oh, no, wait, I got it again! I know exactly how to win Sweetie back.
Okay, Ed. Trixie should be somewhere around. Huh? Ed? Ed, where are you?
Alright, girls, you ready for this?
Ready!
Cutie Mark Crusader
Scooter
Riders!
Riders!
Yay!
Yay!
Woohoo! Awesome!
Look out, Scoots!
Whoa, jeez!
I'm getting too old for this.
Phew, that was a close one. Everyone alright? Ah! My handlebar!
Yikes! Ah! Girls, help me! Sweetabile, hang on!
Yes! Now's my chance!
Girls, hurry! Come on, sweetie! No!
Hold on, Sweetie Belle! I gotcha!
Oh gosh, thank you so much for saving... Oh, it's you again.
Yep, It's me, all right. Saved your life once again. Pretty brave, huh?
Well, thank you for saving me, sir, but
I guess that makes me a hero, doesn't it?
Well, yes it does, but...
A strong, handsome hero worthy of...
Hey, you! Young filly, is this stallion bothering you?
Yeah, this guy keeps on following me like I'm his girlfriend or something.
Whoa. Dude, that's creepy.
Whoa, wait a minute, officers. It's not what you think. Hey!
Alright, sir, you're coming with us.
Whoa, hold on! You don't understand!
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you.
I'm a hero, really! I saved her! Let go of me!
Sweetie Belle, we just saw you get rescued by your boyfriend. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm a little shaken up, but I'm alright. And he's not my boyfriend. Ugh! Something's just not right with that guy. Yeah, I don't think I like his attitude.
I can't believe that didn't work! I mean, I save her life, yet I get thrown in jail for it! I mean, it's not like I was gonna—
Hey! Keep it down in there, creep!
Oh, forget it. Why do I even bother? Anything I try to plan just blows up in my face anyway. Ugh. Now what am I gonna do? How am I even gonna get out of here? Perry! Oh, thank goodness you're here. Wait, how do you always seem to pop up everywhere without being noticed? Wait a minute, that's it! Okay, Perry, listen. I need you to sneak around the prison and find the keys to the cell door. But be sure to be really quiet, okay? Oh, Perry, you're a lifesaver. Oh, shoot! Cordelia! I left her alone to find Trixie near the forest. I sure hope she's all right.
Ugh, why did he have to run off like that? What in the world is that thing?
Oops! I'm so sorry, miss. I didn't see you there. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. Look, sir, have you seen a gray Pegasus with a blue mane and eyelashes around here?
Oh, why, yes, I believe I did. I was just sitting here minding my own business when I saw a couple of pony guards take away that Pegasus in question. Quite an odd sight. But then again, stuff like that shouldn't really be all that new to me.
Wait, guards? Ed was taken by guards?
Oh, yes, he was arrested immediately after trying to hit on some filly. Even for a creature like me, that seems rather unsettling. I'd imagine that'd be worth, what, 10 or so years jail time in Canterlot Prison?
Jail? Oh no, I gotta get him out of there!
Aw, but why the rush, my dear new friend? Come now, we were just about to have a tea party. Do join us, please. Well, you could have just said no. Knock, knock. Huh? Well, well, well. Look at what we have here. Poor dear Ed, exactly how I envisioned him. Lonely, depressed, and miserable. Though I will admit, I didn't expect a prison cell to be part of the mix. I'll take what I can get. Leave me alone, you ugly carpet. I'm not in the mood to deal with you right now. Again with the insults? You just don't know when to surrender, do you? I said go away!
Hey! Knock it off in there!
Fine, I can take a hint. Though you're just denying the inevitable. One way or another, your magic will be mine. It's only a matter of time. What am I gonna do? And where the heck is Perry with the keys? Without them, I'm never gonna get out of here.
Psst, Ed!
Huh? Who said that?
Up here, it's me!
Cordelia! Oh man, am I glad to see you. How did you know where I was?
Some ugly snake thing with antlers and a griffin claw told me you got arrested. Let me guess, you tried to talk to Sweetie Belle again.
Yes. Look, I'm sorry for abandoning you.
Shh! Quiet! Or the guards will hear you! Come on, let's get you out of here.
Wait, what about Perry? He hasn't returned with the keys yet.
No time, it'll catch up to us. Let's just go!
Hey, what was that? Hey, the door's unlocked. You think he escaped? Probably. But it shouldn't really matter. He was only sentenced for 24 hours anyway. Yeah, the princess should really consider revising these penalties.